Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the bitrate in OBS. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. That's quite easy. Now let's simply focus on how to change the bitrate. Initially, what you guys have to do is just go to settings. At the bottom right in the controls tab, you will see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do, this thing will open up. Well, as you can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now what you have to focus on is simply this output button right here. Click on it right now. And from here, as you guys can see, there are a few things like streaming, recording and replay buffer. What you guys have to do is simply focus on this streaming tab. And right here you can see something called as video bitrate and audio bitrate. Simply click on the text box associated with both of them. And from here, you can change the bitrate. Once you are okay with it, simply hit on apply and OK. And guys, that is it. That's how we change your bitrate in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.